So hello guys, good afternoon, and this is my report. It's all about earthquake networks. So the content of my report is all about number one for the introduction, what is earthquake networks, and number two for purpose and goals, how does earthquake network work, and for the number three, accessible network earthquake networks in the Philippines. So ito daw yung mga accessible natin na mga earthquake networks natin dito na ginagamit sa Philippines. So what is the earthquake alert system in the Philippines? So earthquake networks started in 2012 is a citizen science initiative implementing a crowdsourced earthquake early warning system based on networks of the smartphones. So ito daw yun ang accessible lang natin, or ito yung ginagamit natin na parang early warning device for the crowdsource natin sa ginagamit sa ating mga smartphone. So more than 10 million people took part in the initiative, in the system has sent more than 6,000 real-time earthquake alerts. So ito daw ay mahigit 10 million daw ang took part ng initiative na system na nabigyan ng mga earthquake alerts sa atin gamit ang ating mga smartphones. So in many seismic countries, earthquake network is currently the only alert system open to public. So ito lang daw yun ang earthquake network natin na ginagamit natin na para lamang sa accessible for the public. So how does earthquake network work? So earthquake network work research project that aims to develop and maintain the crowdsourced smartphone based on earthquake warning system at the global level. So in earthquake network daw is ang earthquake network project nila is ang ini-aim nila is para ma-develop daw ang ating mga technology and for the crowdsourced smartphone based on the warning system global device. So for example, may mga earthquake doon banda sa, for example, Davao. At least ma-alert tayo for the incoming aftershocks kumbaga. So the system uses the onboard accelerometers in privately owned smartphone of the volunteer participant to detect earthquake waves rather than conventional seismometers. So ito din daw ang ginagamit natin para malaman natin, for example, may earthquake alerts na ba doon sa isang lugar. For example, may earthquake na ba doon. So ito lang din yung paraan natin para magka-idea tayo. So what is the earthquake alert system in the Philippines? So Manila, Google Philippines has launched the Android earthquake alert system, a free feature that detects earthquake around the world and alert users. So in Manila, Google Philippines has launched sa Manila daw, Google Philippines ang kanilang ginagamit para pag-alert ng earthquake natin. So dito nadidetect daw nila at nabibigyan ng alarm yung mga public users. So the system alerts people in two ways, via search engine and directly on the Android mobile device. So may dalawang paraan daw para ang ating system alert, via search engine na ginagamit natin sa ating mga Android devices, or direct na sa Android mobile device natin. It provides instant information via Google search. So parang Google search ang ginagamit po. So when people look up earthquake or earthquake near me, they will find relevant results along with helpful resources on what to do after an earthquake. So government has a forged partnership with Digital Sun, Globe, PLDT Smart to send free public safety advice in text message to their subscribers during calamities, disaster, and emergencies. So for example nito is yung NDRRMC natin na may mag-alert natin kung may lindol ba dun, kung gaano kalakas, at saka NTC natin or the National Telecommunication Operation natin. So, the National Disaster Risk Reduction Management ng council natin, or NDRMC, or just like what I've told about, or the National Telecommunication and the Presidential Communication Operation Office, or the PACO or PICO, through the Philippine Information Agency, or the PAYA, has agreed on the protocols that will be observed in validating information and issuing for safety advisories in notice during calamities and disaster. So ito daw sila, parang ito yun sila ang nag-uusap-usap sila na or napagkasunduan nila na every time na may lindol or mga disaster na nangyayari sa isang lugar is bibigyan nila ng free text alert yung mga may accessible ng mga smartphones through SIMs nila or through text nila or through alerts of the smartphones. So ito rin yung nakakatulong para maalam na para ma-alarm din tayo kung gaano na ba kalakas yung mga earthquake natin dito sa lugar natin, or meron ba tayo dito sa Pacific Ring of Fire, yung tulad na lang yung parang fault line. So para ma-alert din tayo kung gaano na ba kalakas ang magnitude ng lindol na nangyayari. Kaya para for example may mangyayari na mga malalaki is ma-aware tayo kung anong dapat gawin natin at masabihan tayo ng anong magandang gawin or first aid natin. So thank you guys. This is all about my report, Earthquake Networks. Thank you and God bless.